I'm Mario from FP Auto, and today we're going to be doing updates on one of our 900 horsepower builds. We updated the plumbing for the single turbo 6870 kit that we installed. We did some fueling and cooling updates with CSF, and we're going to retune with Bend Calibration. All right, let's go do some logs. We are on our 8th revision with Bend Calibration. We did street logs at first, just so we don't waste too much time on the dyno. Right now, they sent us the 8th revision. We're gonna do a 5th gear pull on the dyno in map 3 and see what it does. We are using the MHD platform, which in my opinion is the best platform that's out there right now for BMW. But yeah, let's see where it goes. All right, so we just did pull number 1 on the dyno, and it dynoed at 879 wheel, 702 torque, which already beats the number that we made 2 years ago. We made 875 wheel the last time we were on the dyno. So right now we are waiting for a revision. If everything looks healthy, we're gonna bring it up more. All right, this is Wilson. He's the owner of the G80 that we just dynoed.
What's up? What's up?
Okay, so we've been working on his car for about 2 years. We started at 875 horsepower with a previous tuner. Nothing against the previous tuner. We just wanted to try something a little different. And tonight we made how much?
950.
950 horsepower, stock turbo, not stock turbo, stock motor, stock transmission, 6870 precision. It was custom built by Revolution Turbo. We added some more cooling with CSF, additional plumbing, and we tuned with Bend Calibration on MHD. So that shows you that that's pretty much all you need if you want to make a 900 plus horsepower car. Are you happy with the power?
Hell yeah.
What's your goal?
Get to the track, be consistent around 9.4, 9.3, hopefully get down to the 9.0. God willing, you never know if we take some weight off. Lose some pounds.
So what was your fastest time before?
I believe we did a 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
Okay, so fastest time was 9.5 on this car. With some shedding of weight, we can hit 9.3.
Oh, yeah.
You know, are we gonna build it by the end of the summer next year? What are we doing?
By the end of the year, for sure. I just want to be consistent and try to keep it down in the 9s as much as possible before I go on to the next step.
What's the next step?
8 seconds.
8 seconds. You hear that? All right.
1,000 plus.